Hello, good morning, good day. Here's another refrigeration and HVAC mechanic red seal license exam prep practice questions. This is now multiple choice set number 13. Starting right away, number 1. Relative humidity RH is dependent on temperature. It is blank in the summer than in the winter. A lower, B same, C higher, D none of the above. Correct answer is C higher. Curved lines in psychrometric chart indicate A relative humidity, B dry bulb temperature, C wet bulb temperature, or D enthalpy. Correct answer is A relative humidity. Number 3. Nitric oxide is a toxic gas produced during high temperature blank. A. Liquefaction, B. Combustion, C. Refrigeration, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Combustion. Number 4. Refrigerants should have blank pour point. A. Higher, B. 0, C. Lower, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Lower. Number 5. Capacity of water-cooled condenser increases as the temperature difference between refrigerant and water blank. A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. Constant, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Increases. Number 6. Comparing between chilled water systems and direct expansion or DX system, which one requires lesser installation and lesser maintenance cost? A. DX system, B. Chilled water system, C. Same for both systems, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. DX system. Number 7. In a direct expansion DX system, the refrigerant expands to produce the cooling effect in a coil that is blank in contact with the conditioned air delivered to the space. A. Alternately, B. Directly, C. Indirectly, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Directly. Number 8. Cheap disposable filter has an efficiency of A. 20%, B. 15%, C. 30%, or D. 7%. Correct answer is D. 7%. Don't go cheap. Number 10. Relief devices in refrigeration system must always be connected in A. Parallel, B. Series, C. Adjacent, D. Slope. Correct answer is A. Parallel. Number 11. R134A is A. CFC, B. HCFC, C. HFC, or D. CCFC. Correct answer is C. HFC. And last but not the least, 12. To accurately measure refrigerant pressure temperature relationship, the temperature must be A. Cool, B. Warm, C. Intermittent, or D. Stable and known. correct answer is D, stable and known. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you learned something, and cheers and have a good one.